of like, great, gonna like go out and look for like whatever like the weirdest, dumbest thing people are talking about today, and like that's gonna be the thing I'm working on today.
Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you one of the strategies that I am personally using, and with this strategy you could make $50 per day on Bybit. First step obviously is to click the link in description.
You like
And
gold
I believe that
too?
Bitcoin in the I did until I found out about Bitcoin. Actually, before Bitcoin, I was a big physical gold and silver investor.
Absolutely could pull it off without my math degree.
Yeah, so before I went into Bitcoin, I already was very interested in the monetary system. I was interested in the banking system, and I was a gold bug, as you call them, just like yourself. I was reading up about gold, silver, how that form of money is better than the credit system we use today.
Because of you, Caroline. It was all for you.
Being comfortable with risk is very important. We tend not to have things like stop losses. I think those aren't necessarily a great risk management tool. I think of a good example of a trade where I've lost a ton of money. Well, I don't know. I probably don't want to go into specifics too much with that.